Last Thursday, 80 people answered our survey on how many minutes they spent watching television. Alright, so we know these different pieces of information then. We've got the median time, the lower quartile, upper quartile, person who watched the least, and person who watched the most. So we were asked then to draw a box and whisker diagram to illustrate this information. What's nice is we've got tidy size graph paper here and the scale underneath. In terms of how big you make this box and whisker diagram, it's entirely up to you. Okay. What I tend to do is, you can see here we've got squares. I'll tend to make it one big square in terms of height. Okay, so I won't use all this graph paper, and I'll perhaps do it in this square here, so I'm quite close to the scale, so it's easier for me. Now, first thing I do, I always go for the median. Okay, and it happens to be the first bullet point here. Okay, so the median time, it says, was 310 minutes. Okay, so when I've got the median time, I can actually then go to 310, which is here, and I'm going to draw a line. Remember, my median is the middle line in that box. Okay, so just draw a line there. You're not going to draw a box yet, just draw the line at 310 to be the middle line in that box. Lower quartile was 200 minutes. Let's go for 200 minutes. Now remember, the lower quartile represents the end of the box, and then the upper quartile was 560 minutes. So 560 minutes is way over here. Okay, so draw another line then. Okay, so there's my median. It's okay to write here. There's my median, there's my lower quartile, and there's my upper quartile, and they form the box. Okay, so I can create now my box. Okay, there. And then all you've got to do then is get the whiskers. Okay, but whiskers come from this then. The person who watched the least amount of television is the lowest, it's 50 minutes. So 50 is way over here, isn't it? That's 50. And what you do then is you draw your little, the end of the whisker, I suppose, here, isn't it? Okay, and a line then connecting, to that box. Okay, it's like that. Alright, it doesn't matter really how big this bar is here, this line here. Just perhaps make it a bit smaller than the height of the box. Okay, and then 800 minutes to watch the most. So 800 is over here somewhere. Then we connect that up then to the midpoint of that box, and we've got our box and whisker diagram sorted, where we've got the low quartile, median, upper quartile, and then the lowest value here, highest value there.